Hi, and welcome to another ContentBox screencast. In this screencast, I want to showcase our newest edition, which is ContentBox Express. So our ContentBox Express edition can be downloaded from our site, ContentBox. Go to contentbox.org/download. In our download sections, you will see ContentBox Express right here alongside the source button. So the ContentBox Express edition, what it includes is a fully working engine. So it includes everything from open source CFML engine stack to ContentBox and everything pre-configured for you, even URL rewriting, so you can just start working with ContentBox. This is a great way for setting up development instances or just showcasing to a client or basically just trying to see how ContentBox works. So the first step would be just to download ContentBox Express. I have downloaded here previously. It's about 130 megs. I can expand the archive and get my ContentBox Express edition right here. I'm just going to rename it because it looks a little bit wonky. So you can see here is my download. It includes a JDK if you're in Windows already. If you're in Linux or Mac, it's pretty much already available to you. It has some installation instructions as well as some incredible ASCII art for letting you know how to execute ContentBox Express. By default, it will run in port 8085. You can configure that very easily in the configuration directory. It also includes several log files for you in the logs directory for the actual engine that it's running on, the J2E engine, and also application logs for you as well. So to get it started, I will use my handy little terminal here. So I will go ahead and just go into that directory, go into the bin folder, and if you go to the bin folder, you will find several things that you can run with it. The important ones are the startup scripts. So you have a startup.bat for Windows machines and a startup.sh for anything Unix. So the first thing is I'm going to modify the permissions since obviously I downloaded this right now, so I can actually execute them. And then I will go ahead and execute the startup.sh, and it will basically execute the running Tomcat server container. There you go. It started up. So now I can actually go into my browser and go to localhost port 8085. And right now it will start basically configure ContentBox Express. So there you go. ContentBox Express is already installed. It tells me to follow this little wizard to create my first user. So I'm going to go ahead and create my first user. Populate the site with some sample information. The site name is going to be ContentBox Express. A few more information. Best site in the world. Mail server information, URL rewrites. You can, of course, it's already configured, but I'll just go with the defaults to show you. So click Start. There it is. ContentBox Express is now running. I can view my site and my administrator. There's my administrator. There's my site. I can log into my administrator with the credentials I just created. And everything is self-contained in this Express edition. As you can see, here's the entire application running now. I can start creating pages, etc. You can go look at pages. You can go back into your dashboard. You will see that now we start getting a little bit of more graphs. But this is ContentBox Express. And you can see that the application or the database is contained right here. It is a hypersonic embedded database. So if you have a hypersonic console, you can actually look at everything inside of it, all the properties, the data, etc. So this is ContentBox Express. Very easily, you can get up and running, test everything, make sure these are great, show it to a client, whatever you need to do for development purposes, etc. Again, ContentBox Express can be downloaded from gocontentbox.org/download and just click on the ContentBox Express button. So thank you very much and see you soon.